So crucially, the Employment and Skills Fund has given me hope, but even more than that, it simply wouldn't have been financially feasible without the Employment and Skills Fund to have done this course. My name is Ryan Davis and I ran a lab in Tata which evaluated iron ores and raw materials on a daily basis. I began working for Tata in 2015, so I worked for almost 10 years. And when I first found out about the redundancies, I was absolutely devastated. But as with many people, the reality doesn't hit you straight away. It's a bit of a delayed reaction, but eventually I was trying to plan my next move and see where I would end up being in the future and what options were available to me. So I was made aware of my redundancy at the end of 2024, and I found out first about the Employment and Skills Fund on the Neath Batama Council website. I then decided to look into it further by visiting the hub, which is located in Neath Batama Town Centre. When I visited the Employability Hub, I was put in touch with the Tata team, and we began to research what available courses there were for the skills I was looking to develop. So I was looking to develop skills in data science and AI. And what we settled on eventually was an MSc in AI, as I believed it encompassed all the skills I was looking for to develop to be able to transition to an AI-based career. The Employment and Skills Fund helped me in many ways, such as paying for my tuition fees and also helping me secure equipment such as a laptop and my books, which I needed for the course. So I'd like to use the skills I developed from this course to help improve the local economy. Specifically, I'd like to advance the field of chemistry, which is my background, using AI and data science. And I'd love to support Wales in improving our understanding and our aptitude of AI in the future. I would have had to find employment immediately, as I wouldn't have been able to afford the course. I would highly recommend to begin the process, because for me, the process was seamless and the team really want what's best for you. You might not be aware of the range of options available to you with a funding like this. For example, you might want to start a business. You might want to go straight into other employment, or you might, like myself, want to study an MSc or a degree or something in further education. I'd urge anyone who's thinking about contacting the team to do so immediately. You don't want to miss this opportunity. It could significantly enhance your employability.